Hey guys, welcome to Internet for Dummies, and today we're gonna talk about browser. Browser is a software which allows you to break the packages which is sent from the servers to your computer. It arranges the data packets, arrange them in an order. Is it an image or a web page or a video? It allows you to display in an order so that you can be reading and understanding it, and we'll be going into a popular browser. So there is a popular browser in the starting of the ages, and mostly it's called as Internet Explorer. So where we'll be seeing that and how to download it, and just googling it as Internet Explorer. So for the spell, I'm always bad in that. So this is the logo of the Internet Explorer, and you can also see people also search for Firefox and Chrome and Safari, and most of the users and the government website or the government users mostly use Internet Explorer because it's the basic standard website or the browser which people likes to use all the time, and it has a different versions. If you like, you can download it, and I already do have it in my computer, so I'm just opening it up and I'll show you the basic interface, how this software looks like. So this is the basic Internet Explorer by the Microsoft, and there you go. So it's just a classic and a standard browser, and the thing is it takes a lot of time to load, and here you can see it's loading up, and its default settings will be for the Microsoft official websites and their search engines. And see, here you go, you can see the default search engine of Bing and news of it, and also this is Internet Explorer. And most of the people uses government officials and the government handlers. Most of the things they stick with the Internet Explorer because it's a compatibility and the stable version, and which uses HTML file and basic coding thing, but it's a kind of a bit of lag and slow. So we'll be using the Chrome most of the time. So today we're gonna use Firefox, and we'll try to download it, and we'll install it, and we'll see how that it works. So when you enter it, and you can directly see a Firefox browser, and we have tried to simply download it, and you can see the basic interface, and here you go, the file is ready to download. Yep, it's downloaded, and now we'll install the Firefox, and I'm not setting it as a default browser because I'm addicted to Chrome, and because it's cool and easy to use. So here you can see the setup file is automatically downloading the required files for the browser. So let them give me a minute, and it will be getting the required files to us. It doesn't have to take much time, and the thing about the Firefox, it's a custom and can be used for the rest of the developers, and Firefox is mostly used for the developing because it's for the development tools. And when we go for the Chrome, which I'm using right away, is just for the internet users. It's flexible and easy to navigate, and pretty much it, and you can easily keep the bookmarks and the navigation, everything else. Okay, let's see how the setup is going. Okay, it's still going on. And the beautiful thing about the Chrome is you can keep the bookmarks, easily navigate, and it loads the stuff faster. Let me give you an example, and we'll just differentiate in the meanwhile of the installation. You can see the basic stuff is taking a lot of time. So I'll just compare the speed of the browser right over here. I'll just minimize it. Okay, maximize the screens. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter google.com here and same URL right up here. We'll just google.com go and okay, I think setup is ready, and you hit the pro and you check the thing, the Google just loaded faster while you compare it with Internet Explorer. And I think we are ready with the Firefox, so we'll just open it. So it's asking to import the password, whatever. If you wanted, you can import the settings which you might have it for Internet Explorer right up here, or you can use it up the rest of the settings from the Chrome. I wanted to use it from the Chrome. And next, and it will be importing some of the information from the rest of the browser, and when it's done, we'll be good to go and use the browser for using the internet access. So let's give it a minute. Cookies are done. Saying okay, import is complete and we are good to go. So let's open the Firefox. Yeah, and when you see it up here, now it's asking for the default browser, and here you see, and when you open the settings, you can see a bit of delay and a lag, a bit of things happening here. So this is quite a bit slow. You can see customization and rest of the add-ons and rest of the things up here. It's completely for the developers. And when you go up here, settings are the basic things for them, and when you go for the Chrome, you can't see any rest of the developer tool because it's a basic simple navigation settings. So most of the people uses the Chrome, and then if they're a developer, they'll go for the Firefox, and if not, then they go for the Internet Explorer. So we'll be just counting the speed. We'll be just counting the numbers and see how speed. We'll just set everything in a basic things, and let's see how that would be. So it's in MSN, and let's see how much time will it take to load the basic search engine. So after hitting enter, I'll be counting some numbers and see how much time it's taking. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Yep, it took around like 13 seconds. Now we'll check it on here. 1 2 3 4 5. Yep, it took 5 seconds. And let's see in here. 1 2 3. Yep, it just took 3 seconds to open it in the Chrome, and 5 seconds in the Firefox, and 13 seconds in Internet Explorer. And the thing is, I am running at the speed of 70 Mbps, and in the speed of 70 Mbps, the Internet Explorer took a 13 seconds, and the Firefox took a 5, and Chrome took a 3. So this is why I use Internet Explorer. I mean the Chrome all the time. So this is how the things done. So there you go. So these are the different types of the browsers, and these are the basic standard browsers which people use. And there is another type of browser which people in the dark web uses, and it's called a Tor. And Tor is a famous browser, and people also call it as an onion browser, and it's used for different purposes. And I don't want you to install it for a while because it has a lot of configuration and lot of things to do, and it's mostly related to dark web, and we'll be covering that in the later on things. But I mostly recommend you to stick with the Chrome, but Chrome takes off a lot data, and Internet Explorer and Firefox take a bit low. So I'll be leaving the links in the description below, and you guys can check it out. And thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a bit, and we'll learn more further in the next other video. And thank you for watching, and check out the rest of the videos. And always, this is your Jack Indies signing off, and thank you for watching, and please do leave your comments in the comment section, and we'll just help you out with the rest of the things. And always, thank you for watching, and have a good day, guys.